Hello, this is Bruce Clapp, and I'm the president of MarketMatch, where we help our clients strategically grow their organizations through focus, momentum, and results. And this is the next installment of the MarketMatch 60-second strategy. And today I'm going to share a quote from the famous Coach Taylor from Friday Night Lights. He talked about clear eyes, full heart, can't lose. So what does that really mean? What are those two things? Clear eyes and full heart. Clear eyes means you have a vision for what you want to do. You have a purpose behind your activities. And full heart means you're committed. You are 100% on board. You're doing the things necessary to get it done, and you can do it in a way that you can fully commit to. So clear eyes, full heart, can't lose. That's what it's all about for our bank and credit union clients out there today. Making sure that you, your team, and everyone has the vision instilled in their eyes, so they have clarity about their purpose, their heart, so they have clarity behind the motivation, and you're doing the things necessary to make sure that everyone is on board. So communicating with your customers and your members, making sure your staff is aligned, has the training they need, the tools and the resources, etc. Clear eyes, full heart, can't lose. That's the recipe for making sure that you're making it in these trying times. So learn more at marketmatch.com. Hope you guys have a great day, fantastic Monday, and here's to a great week. And UD Flyer basketball is about ready to start. Thanks. Have a great day.